Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and this is my cashew tree. And the problem with cashew trees in Central Florida is they don't do really very well with the cold. So the problem I have is this tree almost dies every winter. So what I'm gonna do is air layer it and try to create a new tree that I can put in a pot and move this inside and outside as need be. So we put this air layer on here, or we did this air layer probably about 3 months ago. So we're just opening it up now to see if we have roots. And let me get my little knife here because there's a knot in here. I think we have roots. It looks like we have roots coming out. So I think we're gonna have a good air layer here. So this has been in here for 3 months. These little balls here, you can get them on Amazon. I have an Amazon storefront. If you want to get them from there, you can get them from there as well. But let's see what we got here. I'm actually liking the looks of this. I feel like I can see roots sort of busting through here. So I think we're gonna be pretty good on this one. And then we're gonna cut this branch off, and basically we're gonna have a brand new tree that we'll put in a pot, probably bring it over to the office and let this grow inside. All right, let's open it up. Where's the open? Well, this thing's really packed in tight, but oh, let's see. Wow, okay. So I'm gonna bring you guys around to the other side because you can see some roots on this side here, but I want you guys to see where most of these roots are. They're mostly on this side right here. We've got roots on both sides. We got a little nub there, we'll break that off. So we're gonna cut this off. Hey guys, we're gonna open up our second cashew, and we've definitely got roots on this. Oh, we've got a ton of ants. And we've got big old roots on this thing too. Oh. I'm gonna try not to break these roots off. They're gonna break off. Oh, look at that. Look at all those roots. A really nice root ball. We're gonna put this in this pot right here. We're gonna plant it. And this is one that I'll be able to take inside and out so it won't get abused by the cold. The end result, 2 new cashew trees.